Welcome back. In a significant development in the long-running IRCTC hotel corruption case, Lalu Prasad Yadav, his wife Rabri Devi, son Tejashwi Yadav and 11 other accused are set to appear in person before Delhi's Rouse Avenue court. The court will deliver its verdict on framing charges against them stemming from alleged irregularities in awarding maintenance contracts for IRCTC hotels during Lalu's stint as railway minister from 2004 to 2009. The CBI alleges that contracts for BNR hotels in Ranchi and Puri were handed over to a private firm owned by the Kochar brothers in exchange for 3 acres of prime land funneled to Lalu through benami company. The probe, which led to a 2017 FIR and raids across multiple cities, wrapped arguments in March this year, with the court reserving orders in May. While prosecutors push for charges citing conspiracy and corruption, the defense insists that there is no evidence of wrongdoing and seeks discharge. Joining me live on the broadcast is my colleague Sambhav Sharma. Sambhav, you're right now live from the Rouse Avenue court, and currently we are going to expect the verdict in this crucial land for jobs case, and it's going to be very crucial given that it's coming right ahead of the Bihar Assembly elections.
Well, absolutely, it's very crucial when it comes to Bihar Assembly polls, because of whatever order comes today from the Rouse Avenue Court will decide the fate of the Bihar Assembly polls scheduled in 2 phases in November. However, having said that, what is more important here is that Lalu Prasad Yadav, Rabri Devi and Tejashwi Yadav, all 3 accused in the IRCTC scam case is to be physically present before Judge Vishal Gogne in the Rouse Avenue Court. They have reached in Rouse Avenue Court, but they'll reach will be present physically before the judge on the framing of charges in this particular IRCTC scam case. If I talk more about this particular case, IRCTC scam case, the allegations are that there were alleged irregularities during the tenure of Lalu Prasad Yadav as the railway minister between 2004 to 2009, wherein 2 hotels were allegedly given to a particular company in exchange of the prime land, and there were alleged irregularities in this particular in this process, and this is what the CBI has said in its charge sheet. If we talk about the charges in this particular case, for 420 criminal conspiracy, and 120 is the one charge, and 420 forgery and irregularities is the other charge of Indian Penal Code, and there are several other charges also under Prevention of Corruption Act 1988. So these are the charges. CBI has already filed the charge sheet, and this particular FIR is of 2017 when CBI filed this FIR, and now an order is there today on the framing of charges. Whether the charge will be framed or in a way could be dropped is to be decided by Judge Vishal Gogne here in the Rouse Avenue Court. All eyes are glued to Lalu family. They'll be here in the Rouse Avenue Court on the 4th floor before Judge Vishal Gogne any time as we speak. And this is what the IRCTC scam case is, dated 2004.
Absolutely, Sambhav. Right now we have live visuals coming in from the court where we can see that in fact the entire Yadav family is making its way to the court. I think the judge had maintained that the entire family has to be physically present for this verdict. We can see on the screens the live visuals over there coming in from the court where Lalu, Tejashwi and Rabri Devi are supposed to come and present themselves before the court. You can see on your screens that's Lalu Prasad Yadav, in fact moving towards the Rouse Avenue Court, where I have my colleague joining us and giving us live updates from there. A very crucial hearing for the entire Yadav family, given that it's just coming ahead of the polls.
Absolutely. Here, the matter is before Judge Vishal Bogne. He's the special CBI judge in this particular case. And on the earlier date, Rouse Avenue Court had reserved its order on the framing of charges in this IRCTC hotel scam case for October 13, that is today, and the court is to pronounce its order. That is again very crucial, and court had an earlier hearing directed all the accused, including former Railway Minister Lalu Prasad Yadav, Rabri Devi, Tejashwi Yadav, and others to be physically present. There are almost 14 accused in this particular IRCTC case, and it is to be seen what the judge says today. And if we talk about this particular case, was registered in 2017 for alleged irregularities by former railway minister during his tenure as railway minister, Lalu Prasad Yadav, and his family. And accused, although if we talk about what accused have said in this particular case, accused have denied these particular charges by Central Bureau of Investigation of wrongdoing, and asserting that there is no concrete evidence to justify the framing of charges.
Absolutely, Sambhav. Thank you so much for all those latest updates.